Well, come on. Let's go. You going? Come on, crazy chicken. Come on. You going with me? Come on. Where did you go? Oh, somebody latched the gate on us. There you go. Time to go up. No, not time to scratch. Time to go up. Go on, in you go. Night, kids. Go on. See the dust. And the girls. Oh, we got some eggs. So you can get them more. Night, guys. It's supposed to get cold tonight. Calling for a frost. Thought we was past all that. But we're not. Now you can see how dark it is. But she follows me like a puppy every evening that I come out here. So do my cat. They're at troubles. Got a mess. Gotta get started on all that. But anyway, that's walking the chicken to the coop. Now it's time for me to go in and kick back. Y'all have a good one.